Hey y'all, it's Kasia, and today I'm going to be showing y'all how I did these two extra long Rapunzel braids. This is my hair before freshly washed and blow dried, and we're going to take a quick break for the commercial. So guys, make sure you get your healthy hair bundle. The link will be in the description bar below, but let's get on to the hairstyle. So anyway, I'm going to be starting out with parting my hair down the middle. I cut this up, like edited the video so well that y'all don't even know that it took me literally like 5 minutes just to part my hair down the middle. Why did it take so long just to part it? Like, be for real. So anyway, I got it parted and I separated it, and I went ahead and I hot combed my roots because I wanted it to lay really sleek, and my roots was giving crinkly, curly, fluffy. So I went ahead and hot combed my roots. If you want to do this style as a heat free style, you can definitely do that, but I wanted to make sure it was extra sleek, so I went ahead and hot combed all the way around my braids. And I'm using some expression hair. This hair is the regular expression, not the pre-stretch, so I had to stretch it myself. It's one full bundle cut in half, and I'm using the whole pack. So I'm using one half for one braid and then the other half stretched for the other braid. Also, I'm using the lock-in braid gel. I really like this braid gel. I'm using the lock-in braid gel to slicken my braids down. And since my hair is so thick, I'm going through and I'm putting the braid gel in all the way in between my hair creases and crevices. And yeah, so if your hair is thick like mine or thicker, lather it up. Like, use enough to make sure that your hair is covered and molded down in the braids, because the more molded it is, the longer your braids are gonna last. If your hair isn't, like, the parts that's showing isn't covered in the braid gel, your braids are gonna get really fluffy. So let's get started with the actual braiding process. I'm going to part a little triangle and I'm going to begin braiding. Now this is the key that I'm going to tell y'all. For everybody, you don't have to do this, but it's just how I did it. So I started off braiding with only my real hair. Now if you want your braid that's like on your scalp to be really full and thick, you can start adding your braiding hair longer. But I noticed for me that it made my braids look neater when I started off with only my real hair, and then I more so used the braiding hair to make the braids extra long rather than making them super thick in the beginning. I hope that makes sense.
Ceiling fan blowing cold breeze on your body. I can't tell you really what it is, but you got it. Makeup in the morning, you got dresses in your closet, but you grab them tight, you in love with being modest. You a move body giving interviews, I'm just saying I'm amused, but you ain't even flexing. And you cool, tatted up, cover wounds, different vibe, you new improved, but you ain't even flexing. And you ain't gotta try too hard. Number one fan, your side.
Okay, y'all, so this is the part where my arms started to burn. But yeah, this is the part where I'm going to start adding in that braiding hair right at the very end of the braid to my scalp. So I'm going to just do a few more stitches of braid before I start like single braiding. But yeah, I did not add the hair until I got to damn near the nape of my neck. And I only added 2 pieces before it was actually all the way off of my scalp. So now I'm going to be continually braiding in that braiding hair. And if you know how to tuck with your own hair, this will be the time to put those skills to use, okay? Me personally, I don't know how to tuck. I know how to tuck on my client's hair, but haven't managed to tuck on my real hair. So as you can see, I'm slathering on a pretty hefty amount of the braid gel to try to smooth my hair in with the braiding hair. But if you know how to tuck your natural hair underneath, then that would be a great option. Also, my hair is super thick. If your hair isn't as thick as mine, make sure you do add in the braiding hair a little bit sooner. You could start at your ear or you could start at the front. But depending on how thick your hair is and how thick you want your braids to be sure to add in your hair earlier than I did if your hair is thicker than mine. And at this point, I'm pretty much just going to be braiding my braids all the way down. And they came down to my knees.
Got me think about inside the walls. Words cut deep, it's like a sword. Making me better, you hotter than pepper. You with a big stepper who chasing the cheddar. All of these women, they not on your level. You like a mix of business and pleasure. You a move body giving scene reviews. I'm just saying I'm amused, but you ain't even flexing. Think you cool, tatted up, cover warm, different vibe, new improved. But you ain't even flexing. 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 But you ain't even.
So pretty much now that my braids done, I'm using a comb to slick it down, and then I'm going to be pulling my braid out a little bit to fluff it. Now, if you added the braiding hair in the front, you don't need to do this part. So I went ahead and did my other braid off camera, and now I'm just doing my baby hair. Y'all, don't use no big old flat iron like I'm using. I don't know why I didn't use my mini flat iron to curl my edges. I clearly just want to burn myself. But anyways, I'm using holding spray to go ahead and smooth down my baby hair or edges, whatever y'all want to call them. And I would definitely recommend using a holding spray. It doesn't have to be spritz. It could just be like, I wouldn't say got to be, but something of the sort. Because it makes sure baby hair or edges last way longer than using like an edge control. Or if you do use an edge control, you need to make sure you're using mousse to lock that edge control in and pull some of the oils out of that edge control.
Baby, I ain't buying no more dreams. So what you selling? My pockets got dry from the boat. But if you so for real, you could get wet. But not too much. Don't wanna drown a flame, keep that fire lit. Breathe life into it. Now we own my place, always stays true. I won't give my body to nobody new. Can you believe that we could be forever in heat? If you get me till we 6 feet under stress, or if it's all sweet, just hold me down deep. We won't burn out. Here with me, we could be always in heat.
Okay, so now I'm using some mousse to mold down my braids, and then I'm using some spritz You can use whatever kind of mousse you like, but I do like the Shine Jam or Shine Gel, the red mousse. But that's what I normally use. But right here, I was testing out a mousse to see if I wanted to add it to my hairline. But y'all, this is the final results. I'm sorry that I don't have more like videos and pictures, but yeah, it came out super cute, super bomb. Thanks for watching. Bye.